I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now here search and select GetResponse. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API token, please visit GetResponse API token. Click on Generate Key. Give the name of your key. Copy the API key and paste it here. Click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select Campaigns from the drop-down. Now do the field mapping. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to GetResponse. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now go to GetResponse. Navigate to the Bid Integrations list. Here is the data that came into GetResponse through the integration. Thanks for watching.